to Get Set Up. I'm Kate, your onboarding guide, and this class is how to use LinkedIn to market yourself. A lot of people are enjoying using LinkedIn. It is a great program for connecting with professionals and finding jobs and expanding your job, even listing your business if you're starting a small business. A lot of LinkedIn is easy to use, but there are some tips and tricks that can help you make the best of this wonderful program. What we do here in this class is we talk about your profile and how every bit of information that you put on your profile can help you get recognized on LinkedIn. You can give information, you can give hashtags, you can put even your logo and your schools. You can be posting things, you can be putting up articles, or even just thoughtful responses to other people's articles. It's a way that you can show yourself to the entire LinkedIn audience. So employers can see you and look at your experience. If you want to use the job search function, you can use your profile as a resume. And we can talk about expanding your network. We can talk about the degrees of separation on LinkedIn and how you can get to know more people through your participation on the LinkedIn program. I'm also here one-on-one to answer your questions and help make sense of anything that doesn't make sense to you. And I'm excited to share what I know about LinkedIn with you. Thanks for choosing Get Set Up.